Hello YouTube. As you can see, I am at the back of a BMW 325xi. This is an E46 chassis. And as you can see here, we have a license plate light that's out. There's supposed to be a license plate light here, but it's currently not working. So, pretty easy one here. To access the license plate light, you'll find a notch here. Just stick a flathead screwdriver in here and just use a prying motion to gently get the cover out. From here, you'll see the bulb. So it's a matter of spreading the ear out that the bulb sits in so that it can release. So you want to spread this ear and that ear out to release the bulb. So here's the new bulb. This is a Sylvania 6418. And it pretty much goes in reverse of how you remove it. Let's see if I could do this one-handed. Looks like so. And then now we match up the cover here to the lens. So you feed it in opposite of the side that you have the notch on here. And there we go. As you can see, that was a pretty quick and simple job. Now the owner of this vehicle can rest assured that all the lights are working on the back of the vehicle now and won't get pulled over by the police. If you like this kind of video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.